Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine in your houses. I am also fine, students. Okay, so today we will see the other problems in the income and expenditure account. Okay, here treatment related to subscription, treatment of subscription in the final accounts, isn't it? That's what we were learning. Here, what only one thing you have to remember, that year's income we have to add and the previous year's income subscription. Okay, income means here subscription. Previous years and the next years we have to deduct. Okay, that's all. So we have seen up to 9 that exercise, isn't it? So 10 that illustration I will show to you. See how will the following items appear in the final accounts of a club for the year ending 31st March 2017. A club received subscription of rupees 25,000 during the year 1617. This includes subscription of 2,000 for 1516 and rupees 1,500 for the year 1718. Subscription of rupees 500 is still outstanding for the year 1617. So the current year is March 17 means 1617. Okay. So subscription related to 1617 alone we have to take. See, received 25,000. There, this includes what 2,000 for 1516. So this should be deducted. Then 1,500 for the year 1718. This is also not the current year. This also should be deducted. Only this 500 you see still outstanding for the year 1617. So 1617 we need to receive, that alone we have to add. Okay, final account. So both we got to show, income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. First let us see how it is written in the income and expenditure account. Okay, by subscription, see the heading income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2007. By subscription, less subscription 1516, then 1718, add outstanding for the year 1617. Okay, then balance sheet, this outstanding, okay, that is an asset 500. Okay, then this one next year's 1718 next year we have received in advance. So this one is liability. Okay, subscription received in advance. Okay. That's all. Then we will see two more. 11. Compute income from subscription for the year 2018 from the following particulars relating to a club. Outstanding subscription 2 years. Okay. This one that you see year 2018. So this is the current year. This one the previous year. Subscription received in advance. This one and the year. Subscription received 1,50,000. So compute income from subscription. They have not asked us to prepare the income and expenditure account. So as a statement we can do calculation of income from subscription. To amount column particular. Subscription received 1,50,000. We have to write. Okay. Now what should be added? I have told you that year's outstanding. You see this year, current year, this year, this one, isn't it? 31/12/2018. Their outstanding subscription 7,000 we need to add. Then that year's, here you see this one outstanding subscription last year's. Okay, so leave it. Here you see subscription received in advance. Last year they have received in advance. So which year's this one related to this current year, isn't it? So this one also we have to add. Okay, 7,000 and 3,000 we should add. Then this outstanding last year's outstanding. So we have to deduct. Okay. Then we received in advance. This one next year's, that also we have to deduct. Okay. 2 must be added. That year's we have to add the previous year and the next year we have to deduct. That's all. the answer we have to write income from subscription for the year 2018. Then one more illustration we will see. Okay, with that we will finish the subscription. Okay, treatment of subscription and the income and expenditure account and balance sheet. See, from the following particulars show how the item subscription will appear in income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2018. Subscription received 2018 16,000, which includes 3,000 for 17, 5,000 for 19. What we have to do this one? This one previous year, this one next year. So we should deduct minus. Subscription outstanding for the year 2018. This one current years. So we should add. Then subscription of 2000 was received in advance for 18 in the year 17. But 17 itself they have received. But this subscription is related to which year? This for 2018. So this also we have to add. Okay. This 2000 and 4000 should be added. 3000 and 5000 should be deducted. Okay. One by one we have done. Subscription received. First 3000. Then subscription received for 17 less. Then subscription received for 19 less. Then outstanding subscription due. Due means outstanding for 2018. Then received in advance in 2017 for 2018. Add. Okay, now shall we do the exercise? Okay, 9 we have completed. Let us see 10. How will the following items appear in the final accounts of a club for the year ending 31st March 2017? Received subscription of rupees 40,000 during the year 16-17. This includes subscription of 5,000 for 15-16. Okay, 3,000 for 17-18. Subscription of 1,000 is still outstanding in the year 2016-17. So let us do this. Okay, I will use one page only. Okay, so number 10, final account. So first one, income and expenditure account. Expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2017. Okay. Subscription on the credit side. So there only we have to take more. Here expenditure. Here income. Okay. Here two column we have to write. Okay. By subscription received. $40,000. Here, this includes subscription of 5,000 for 15-16. So, less subscription for 15-16. 2015-16. Okay, how much? 5,000. So 35,000. Then 3,000 for 17-18. Less subscription for 2017-18. 3,000. 32,000. Then subscription 1,000 is still outstanding for the year 16-17. So that we have to add. Okay. Add subscription due for what is the year? 16-17. 2016-17. Okay. 33,000. So here 33,000. That's all. The next they have asked final accounts. So both the accounts we should show. Now balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Here both the side we can write. Okay. Here assets. Here liabilities. Okay. Here this one is asset. Okay. Subscription outstanding. A subscription due. Okay. 1,000. Then subscription received in advance. Okay, this one 17-18 next year's. Okay, subscription received in advance. How much? 3,000. Okay, so it is completed. Okay, that's all. Usually 3 mark they will ask. Okay, the next one 11. Let us see the problem. As it was like illustration 11. Okay, compute income from subscription for the year 2018 from the following particulars relating to your club. Outstanding subscription. See, same way they are given this opening. That means last year's, this closing, this is the current year. Okay, 2018. Outstanding, last year's, this year's. Subscription received in advance, last year, this year. Then subscription received during the year, 45,000. So we will let statement calculation of subscription for the year 2018. That is what they have asked. Okay. Particulars to amount to part. Okay. Rupees. Subscription received. How much? 45,000. Okay, then we should add current years. Okay, which one? This one. This one, current years, outstanding subscription. Okay, add outstanding subscription in 2018. Okay, 5,000, 50,000. Then again, here one more, subscription received in advance last year. Okay, subscription received in advance in last year we know 4,000. That one is related to the current year. Okay, so 54,000. Now less received in advance. Okay, then subscription of 2017. Okay, outstanding subscription. The first item 3,000. So 51,000. Then less subscription of 2019. That subscription received in advance 7,000 is there, no? That one. That is for the year next year. Okay. Now we will write the net amount outside. 0, 0, 0, 11 minus 7, 4, 4, 44,000. Okay, that's all. Now we will see the 12th exercise. Okay, from the following particulars show how the item subscription will appear in the income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2018. Subscription received in 18, 50,000. This includes 5,017 and 7,019. So these two we have to deduct. Then outstanding for the year 18, 6. So we should add. Then this 4,000 was received in advance for 18. So we should, for 18 we should add this one. Okay, for in the year 17. Okay, there they have given in the column, here they have given us a sentence. That is the difference between 11th problem and 12th problem. Okay, how this will appear in the income and expenditure account they have asked. So we will write the first the number, then the heading. Okay, income and expenditure account. For the year ended 31st December 2018. Okay, bigger column we will use. Income, here expenditure. By subscription received, 50,000. This includes 5,000 for 17. So less subscription for 2017. How much? 5,000. 45,000. And less 7,000 for 19. So subscription for 2019, 7,000. So 45 minus 7, 38. Okay, then next one we should add what? Subscription outstanding. Subscription due for 2018. How much? 6,000. 44,000. Then next one, subscription received in the year 17. Received in 17 for 18. Okay, for 18. How much? 4,000. So 48,000. That's all. Okay, we have completed 3 problems. Okay students, so it's enough. These not three problems, totally 6 problems, 3 exercise and 3 illustrations you have to do and see. Okay, thank you students.